Are you shopping for a mop? But with so many mops on the market today, maybe you're unsure which one to get for your home. In this video, we're going to show you the different types of mop and the pros and cons of each. Hi, welcome to The Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle, and today I have here in front of me different types of mops, and I'll show you how to use each one of them. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos for you. This is your basic string mop. What I like about this classic mop is it's highly absorbent, it has great scrubbing power, and it's inexpensive. What I don't like about this is it puts dirt back into the water when you dip it into the bucket. Also, the mop head is usually not replaceable, so that means you might need to buy a new mop every month or every 2 months. Also, you need to use your bare hands or your gloved hands to wring out excess water, which can leave your floors too wet when you're cleaning them. This is a sponge mop. What I like about sponge mops is they're highly absorbent and they're great for cleaning up spills. What I don't like about this is they don't glide across the floors as smoothly as the other types of mops. And they can also get heavy when they absorb too much water. This is a disposable dust mop. As the name of the product suggests, this one attracts dust and debris from the floors. What I like about this is you don't have to wash the mop cloth because you just need to replace it after each use. Also, this mop is great for preparing your floors for deep cleaning or for wet mopping. Another thing that I like about dust mops is because they have a flat surface, you can use them to clean your baseboards and walls. What I don't like about this is it can only be used for light cleaning, and usually you can only use them dry. This is a spray mop. What I like about spray mops is they have a built-in spray bottle where you can put your water or cleaning solution, and then you can spray a bit on your floors when mopping. They also have a detachable mop head, and this one is usually washable. What I don't like about this is not recommended for deep cleaning, so that means you need to have a separate mop for deep cleaning your floors. This one is usually for quick touch-ups or quick cleaning. This is a microfiber flat mop with a bucket system. This mop is great for deep cleaning, and it starts with this bucket right here. This bucket has a wash and dry system. You can wring out excess water using this dry function of your bucket. And this mop right here has a detachable mop head, and this is machine washable, which saves you time and makes life easy for you. Because it has a flat surface, you can use it to clean your walls. And it's rotatable too, so it makes it easy for you to reach corners and edges. This is a spin mop. You can think of this as an upgraded version of your string mop because this one has a bucket, which means you don't have to use your hands to wring out excess water from your mop. This one is also great for scrubbing and deep cleaning your floors. But what I don't like about this is the dirt goes back into the bucket as soon as you dip this mop into it. This one here is what I call a multitasking mop. So it has a spray mop and a sweeper in one tool. What I like about this is you don't have to use a separate spray mop or a separate sweeper for prepping your floors. So you perform 2 cleaning functions with just one tool. Thanks for watching our video about the different types of mops today. I hope we were able to help you decide which type of mop to get for your home. For more habit-forming cleaning tips and tools, please visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Till next time, happy cleaning!